Good Saturday morning, my Priceless family. Now you have one of two choices. One, grab a beverage and a snack and enjoy the video. Or two, grab those dirty clothes and let's bust these suds together. Now remember, do not overfill your washing machines. Fill it to about 75% so you give your clothes enough room to be thoroughly washed. And if you don't know what temperature to wash your clothes or how to wash your clothes, well, refer to your clothing's tag or label for more information. So, hello, Prices family. I'm here at the Dollar General. It's laundry day. I need to pick up a few more supplies, and when I get home, we'll do a quick little shopping haul. All right, let's go in Dollar General. Listen, look here. That's low country slang. Well, anyway, I need to make a Sam's run because the money I spent at the Dollar General was unbelievable. Oh, unbelievable. But anyway, let's see what I purchased at my Dollar General. 2 containers of Downy Fresh fabric softener. This Dawn dishwashing liquid, sponge gadget cleaner thing tool. Some Febreze plugins because I was all out of that. Purex natural elements because mom loves that. And 2 things of Clorox low splash formula. Some Dawn dishwashing liquid, some power wash. Yes, I really need to go to Sam's. That 1 container was $5.25. Some body wash and this pine sol. I'm testing that out from the dollar aisle. And a few florals because they were so pretty, and at $2 and $3, I could not leave them in the store. So, talking about laundry, did you know that 70% of dirt on our clothes is invisible? Secondly, did you know that we perspire about 6 liters of sweat a day? Yeah, we really need to do our laundry. But anyway, let's talk about the washing machine. The first washing machine was called Thor. It was invented in what am I talking about? It was invented in 1782 by a Great Britain inventor. But the first mass marketed electric washing machine was developed in 1908. much for tuning in for this laundry motivation. I hope that you at least have your first load in the washing machine, because clothes are not going to wash themselves. I'm hoping that you have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my next video, because videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. And until next time, you know what I say: stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.